Use a targeted exterior application routine to keep spider webs off visible surfaces between pest control visits. Start by mixing web out according to label directions in a backpack sprayer, using a fine nozzle for even coverage and a low pressure setting to avoid drift. Apply to high web zones such as eaves, soffits, porch corners, railings, and dock posts, treating both the web formation sites and the undersides of surfaces where spiders hide. Avoid spraying directly onto windows and glass to prevent streaks and to keep aesthetics clean. Instead, focus the spray on nearby trim and frames which intercept spider movement. If surfaces are delicate, test a small hidden area first and rinse if staining appears. Consider rotating treatments with an alternative polymer web blocker periodically to disrupt spider re-establishment and reduce chemical resistance. When customers prefer reduced chemical use, offer natural deterrents like cedar strips, citrus oil sprays, or vinegar rinses, and explain these are less persistent, so treatment frequency may increase. Common issues include visible residue on light-colored trim, which is usually solved by masking glass and delicate finishes during application or using a low-residue formulation. Another concern is rapid reappearance of webs on heavily vegetated properties. The fix is to treat vegetation margins and trim back overhanging branches so spiders have fewer anchor points. Customers often complain about overspray on outdoor furniture and grills. Prevent that by covering items and directing the nozzle away from horizontal surfaces during application. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for exterior pest control and web prevention, and we connect contractors with local work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we share product tips, application techniques, and real-world experiences so we can all learn and improve our treatments.